Hi ma'am, good day. We are Group 12 and our project is about calculating the air pressure. And the title of our project is Altitude ALCHEMY, Exploring Airplane Pressure Dynamics. So let's start. The goal of this studies, Altitude ALCHEMY, is to comprehend the altitude and air pressure interact inside aircraft cabins. The air pressure drops dramatically at higher altitude, which can cause problems for aircraft system and passengers alike. In order to address this, the research measures and interprets pressure fluctuation at various altitudes using cutting-edge sensors and data analytic tool.
This project is focused on understanding the relationship between the distance a plane can travel and the pressure it experiences. The aim is to develop the features that enhance this understanding. Pressure chamber simulation. This involves creating a simulation model to illustrate how pressure changes inside an airplane cabin at different altitudes. This helps in visualizing the effects of altitude on cabin pressure. Interactive visualization. An interactive tool will be developed to allow users to explore how pressure changes affects various aspects of airplane travel, such as comfort levels. This feature provides a hands-on experience to understand the impact of pressure dynamics during flight. Case studies. Real-life incidents or accidents related to altitude and pressure dynamics in airplane travel will be analyzed and presented. These case studies highlight the importance of understanding this concept and provide practical examples of their significance. Safety guidelines. Safety guidelines for passengers and crew will be provided, including tips for coping with pressure changes and potential health risks during flights. These guidelines aim to enhance safety awareness and promote better preparedness for dealing with pressure-related issues in aviation. This code performs several functions related to aviation and HVAC or HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Let's break down what each part of the code does. Input validation. The initial part of the code prompts the user to input the altitude and temperature. It checks for certain conditions. Altitude must be non-negative and not exceed 36,000 feet. Temperature cannot be below absolute zero. Calculating airspeed. If the input passes validation, it calculates the airspeed using the provided altitude and temperature. This calculation uses the formula for airspeed under certain assumptions. Pressure calculation. The calculate pressure function calculates air pressure at a given altitude using the International Standard Atmosphere or ISA model. It considers constants such as sea level pressure, lapse rate, temperature at sea level, gas constant, and gravity. HVAC simulation or HVAC simulation. The simulate HVAC function simulates a simple HVAC system. It sets a target temperature, current temperature, and a cooling rate. Then it continuously decreases the current temperature until it reaches the target temperature, simulating the cooling process over time. Main function. The main block executes when the script is run directly. It demonstrates the usage of the calculate pressure function by calculating and printing air pressure at a specified altitude. Then it calls the simulate HVAC function to simulate the HVAC system.
That's how our video presentation ends. Hoping that everyone liked it. Thank you.